Well, this video we have got a brand spanking new softset. he's got all his paperwork. He's done what he needs to do. He's now going to inform the cops in his neighborhood that he is a softset. He doesn't need to abide by the laws, doesn't have insurance, doesn't need to have a driver's license, none of that. So what he's going to do now, he's going to go around to 3 different precincts, hand them the papers, telling them that he is now free from all of this nonsense. He's not part of the system anymore, and he will be traveling free and unencumbered, as a man of the land should do. Well, he did that, and got stopped by a cop. Very first stop. Cop didn't want to play along, arrested him, and so when he got released from jail, he then went ahead and made this video. As you could see it from this point onwards, he made this video. All the comments in there, the red the emojis, that's all this guy. he then posted this video. So let's go ahead and watch the video. It's actually quite a cool video to watch.
If you know anything about right to travel, you know what this is. I'm gonna go give it to my local PD. Alright, I'm at the Carver PD. I should know this place by now. Sure is Christmassy.
How can I help you, sir?
Got some information on right to travel. I'd like to share with you guys.
On what?
Right.
Right to what? Never heard of that one. Don't worry, this guy's going to inform you about that. He's going to give you all the documentation you need. Set him free. He's a free man now.
To travel.
Right to travel. Okay, you just want to share that with us?
Yeah, just for you guys, for your records. You want to hand it to your legal department or whatever.
Sure, I'll pass that along for you, sir.
Alright, thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Alright, up to the Plymouth PD. We can give them one too. Right, I'm at the Plymouth PD. Got some information on right to travel. I'd like to share with you guys. But, you guys can keep that copy and do what you need to do with it. Send it to your legal or whatever you need to do.
What's it for?
Right to travel.
Yep, that's a well-known phrase in that area. They all know what that means. No, they don't. No, they don't.
Have you ever heard of that? Well, that's for you guys to review if you need to. And I'll see you guys later. Alright, now I'm off to Kingston PD. See you there. Alright, Kingston PD. We've done their right to travel papers.
What is this?
Some information on right to travel I'd like to share with you guys today.
Okay.
And that's a copy for you guys to keep, and you can send it to your legal or share it with you guys or whatever you need.
I'll pass it along to our supervisor, okay?
Alright, thank you. Easy peasy.
Yeah, easy peasy. He gave all 3 PDs the documentation to tell him that he's now a free man. Doesn't need a license, doesn't need insurance, doesn't need tags. He's a softset. He's a man of the land. He's a free man. Not going to work out that well for him. From this point on, he's going to get stopped by a cop. And let's see how that works out for him.
Alright guys, you know what's up.
Could
you sign that, please?
I'm sorry?
Could you sign that for a minute, please?
No, I can't. You need visual license, though.
Yes, sir. Alright guys, you guys know what's up. Right to travel. This officer is unaware that we have the right to travel. I'm going to try my best to inform him to avoid a lawsuit.
Point to operate the motor vehicle, as well as license.
Doesn't look like this cop got the memo that you're a free man. You don't need a license to travel. He didn't get that memo.
Do you have your license with you?
Well, sir, I have this.
Okay, you need a Massachusetts driver's license, and you need to have your vehicle.
This will tell you what a motor vehicle is, and this is not a motor vehicle, it's a private automobile.
Yep, it's a motor vehicle.
The private automobile.
It's a motor vehicle.
Alright, sir. I'm going to read this out loud for you. Motor vehicle. Right here, see? It means every description of a carriage or other
Oh, boy.
conveyance propelled, drawn by mechanical power, and used for commercial purposes.
Cop is not interested in the least. Probably thinking another loony. I got another loony. What happened to my luck?
On the highways and transportation of passengers and property, or property and cargo, used for commercial purposes means the carriage of persons or property for any fare, fee, rates, charge, or other consideration, or directly or indirectly in connection with any business or other undertaking intended for profit.
Yeah, that cop is probably calling for his friend to come around to come help you. There's a loony on the loose. Come and help. If he's not doing that, I would do that. I would do that.
That's a motor vehicle. This is not a motor vehicle. Not for hire. You see that on the back?
Just be advised he's refusing to identify himself.
You never asked me for any identification.
Yes, I did. I asked you if you had motor.
You asked me for a license, not ID.
Okay, do you have an ID with you?
I'm not required to have one.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You're required to have a license to operate a motor vehicle in the state of Massachusetts.
I'm sorry, sir, but you're incorrect.
No, I'm not.
This is why.
Why is it that cops don't know the law? They should ask Softset. Softset know exactly how the law should work because they've studied. They've gone through YouTube law school. You know, some brilliant YouTube lawyer told them all about Softsetology, and so they believe it because it's convenient. Cop knows nothing. He's just going to inform the cop that he knows nothing. Do him a favor.
Trying to give you the information, man.
100 federal service.
Avoid the lawsuit.
You need a driver's license as well as your vehicle to be registered.
I'm not even a driver, man. I'm a traveler.
Okay. You're operating a motor vehicle.
I'm not operating.
You're operating a
I'm
motor
not
vehicle.
operating. Operating is a commercial term. I am not operating. I'm not a driver.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. And I'm not in a motor vehicle either. So please educate yourself, sir.
You're in a motor vehicle.
Do you have a supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Do you have your supervisor? There has to be someone above you.
I am the
You're
supervisor.
lieutenant, captain.
You ask for a supervisor and you're talking to a supervisor. Yeah, that probably peed on your battery a little bit. So what are you going to do now? You want a supervisor? I don't know.
Chief, whatever. I served your. Sir.
I'm the patrol supervisor.
All
You're
these
required to
juicy shit.
operate the motor vehicle.
Operate motor vehicle commercial terms.
Yep, you're required to.
This is a non-commercial vehicle.
Registration plate on your vehicle.
This is a non-commercial private automobile, not engaged in any commerce. I'm not required to have any license, registration, or force insurance.
You have some sort
This
of-
can explain it deeper. Would you like to,
you have your ID?
sir, do you have a name and badge number?
Yes, I do.
Could I have it, please?
Yeah, Officer, do you want to take me badge 109?
What is it?
Officer, do you want to take me badge 109? Do you have your license registration?
Demontiki?
Do you have your license and registration
Can
on
you
you?
pronounce
Do you
that
have
again,
your license
please?
and registration on you?
I'm not required to have that, sir.
Yes, you are.
If you'd like to educate yourself, this will inform you. Please take it. Avoid the lawsuit.
Oh yeah, they need to avoid a lawsuit. You're really going to make a lot of money out of this lawsuit. I've never seen a soft that make money out of a lawsuit. If you have, please let me know. I've never seen one.
I'm doing everything I can. So you guys arrest me, tow me, take my shit, you'll be stealing my property. You'll be committing a crime. And actually, what you guys are saying right now is mass fraud. And I have the case law.
Identify yourself as an operator of a motor vehicle.
Have I committed any crimes?
Yes.
What crime have I committed?
You refusing to identify yourself.
That's not a crime.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Well, I'm glad you know the law better than what they do. Let them go and fight this thing in court. That's what I would do.
When do I have to identify myself, sir?
When
Do you
you pulled
know?
over,
When I'm
I'm the
what?
supervisor. I'm
You
the
know?
driver. You're
So you're just an order
required.
follower? You can go away then.
You're required to produce identification.
Only if I'm suspected of a crime, or if I've committed an infraction, I would give it to you. Was I speeding?
You have committed a motor vehicle violation.
A commercial
Not registered.
violation. Not an
Not
infraction.
registered, and it's required to do so.
Are you interested in my information at all?
Yep.
Are you just going to do whatever tyrannical thing comes to your
I'm
mind?
interested in you to produce your ID as I'm requesting that you do.
I mean, I can give you my name and birthday if you'd like, if you want to write a ticket or something, but I mean, I didn't do anything to justify any tickets, so.
You did.
What did I do?
I'm not operating a vehicle with a valid registration. You're refusing to produce an ID.
So it seems to me like the soft cytology lawyer that informed this guy of all his rights forgot to mention that if you don't identify yourself at a stop, they can arrest you. Seems like he neglected that little bit of information. To our benefit, I have to say.
I'm not operating a vehicle, a motor vehicle. I'm not operating a motor vehicle,
Yes, you are.
and I'm not required to have a license, registration, and insurance. If you'd like to read this, sir, it will inform you guys. I gave a copy of this to your department, so you guys should.
With this guy, I would shut up at this point in time. Comply with the cops. Give them what they want. Get a summons, get a fine, whatever they want to give me. Go to court, sort this out with the judge. You're not going to come right with the cops. Cops are there to enforce the law. They're not there to change the law. For that, you need to chat to the judge. They will just enforce the law. Simple as that. Wasting your time trying to convince these guys otherwise.
More to know about
You're
this.
required to produce a license when you are requested to do so.
I'm not actually.
Yes, you are.
You're incorrect, sir.
Well,
Did you serve in the military at all?
what does that have to
How
do
about
with
you? Did you swear an oath to the Constitution? Did you, sir?
You're required to produce an ID.
Did you swear an oath to the Constitution, please?
Produce your,
Answer your question.
Produce,
Answer the question. Did you swear an oath to the Constitution?
Are you going to produce a driver's license?
How about you, sir? Did you swear an oath to the Constitution?
Driver's license.
Did you swear an oath to the Constitution?
Let me see your driver's license.
No, that's my Fourth Amendment.
Let me see your driver's
Have I
license.
committed a crime?
Yes.
What crime?
You're operating on a public way with no license plate.
Not operating, sir. You're incorrect.
You are operating
And traffic violations aren't crimes, by the
on a
way.
public way.
And I got the case law that proves that. And public
Soffit is very, very fast on his way to go to jail and get himself a free breakfast. He's really talking himself into that. Cops are not gonna play with him, and I don't blame them.
ways are meant for the public.
Oh, you're filling out to identify yourself. Here's your.
I will identify myself. If you guys want to write, if you guys would like to write me a ticket or issue some sort of shit, I will give you my name and birth date. But that's all I'm going to give you because I'm not required to have an ID or a license or registration or insurance for this vehicle. This is a private vehicle, not engaged in commerce, not operating, not a motor vehicle. This will explain it to you. I gave a copy to you guys' department. If you just take it and look, I'm sure you would agree. All you got to do is look. The information is right here at your fingertips.
To produce your driver's license as required. Are you going to produce your driver's license as
Am I a
required?
driver?
Yes, you are.
I am.
Yep.
How am I driving? What makes me a driver?
You're operating a motor vehicle on a public way.
I'm not operating. Sorry, sir, I'm not operating.
You were operating.
No, I'm not.
All right. To me, it seems like he's going to go get a free breakfast in the morning. All on the state. This guy's an idiot. First stop, this happened to him.
I'm traveling. There's a difference. There is a big difference.
Yeah. All right, this is your last chance, sir. You have no license.
Are you threatening me with violence, sir?
Are you going to produce your license?
This is your last chance to produce your license.
I don't have to give a license, sir. No, I don't.
Step out.
All right, this is where he cut his video. He probably doesn't want us to see the arrest. So he got arrested, taken to jail. I assume the car went to car jail as well, and he got his free breakfast. No, not too bad. Not too bad a conclusion to this traffic stop. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and say hi in the comments down below. It does help us a lot. Good stuff. I'll see you in the morning.